Okay, guys, so in this session, we are going to talk about Microsoft Intune. So it's gonna be a short session wherein we will discuss what is Intune and what all things you can do through Intune, and we will go into the historical background of Intune, right? So first of all, I would like to let you guys know that it's a Microsoft product. Okay, Microsoft Intune is a Microsoft product. Now, when this product came into the market, so this product was developed by Microsoft in the year 2010. Okay, so it's been 14 years since this product is there in the market. So it's a matured product, right? 1 minute, guys, somebody joining in. Okay, so this product is there in the market for the past 14 years, right? Now, what you can do through this product, what is the purpose for this product to be utilized in uh, organization? So we use this product in organization to manage devices, okay, and manage application. So Intune is basically performing two tasks. Task number one is MDM, and the task number two is MAM. You guys can see my screen, right? Everyone? Can anyone confirm?
Yes.
Okay. MDM, mobile device management, and MAM, mobile application management. Now, what do you mean by mobile device management? Mobile device management means you can manage devices which are mobile, like laptops. You can manage laptops, right? Then you can manage Android devices, Android phones, or Android tablets, or Android uh, laptops as well, right? Android devices. Then you can manage iOS devices like iPhones, right? iPad. You can manage iPad. You can manage MacBooks. Okay, MacBooks. So the laptops which you can manage, basically, you will be able to manage operating system, right? What all operating system you can manage? You can manage Windows 10, Windows 11, right? Previously, you were able to manage Windows 8.1 as well, but Microsoft is going to decommission uh, the management of Windows 8.1. So they are now managing Windows 10, Windows 11. Then you can manage Android, right? Then you can manage iOS, Mac, and Linux operating system. These are the operating system you can manage through Intune. Manage means you can enroll these devices into Intune, and you can supply policies, you can supply applications, you can deploy compliance policies, configuration items. There are a number of things you can do through Intune. Basically, you will have complete control of these devices from Intune. Okay. And the best part is you can manage these devices over the internet. That's the best part. So after COVID-19, this product is getting implemented everywhere. Almost all companies are using this product, or if they are not using, then they are migrating towards Intune. Why? Because this product is uh, managing devices over the internet, and most of the people are working from home. So in order to manage their laptops, suppose people are working from home and we have to install some applications on their laptops, or we have to send some configuration policies on their laptops, or we have to send updates, so we can do it through Intune. Okay. Now similarly, we can manage applications. Now what are applications you can manage? You can manage mobile application. Okay. So you can control application, how the application will open. Suppose if you are opening Office, let's say the Office 365 application, like Outlook or Excel or Word document. So those applications which are, uh, corporate applications, suppose you are opening those application on your mobile or on your laptops. So how that application will open? Will it ask for any password, right? So we can secure the application. We can send policies for the application, how the application will behave in mobile devices. Okay, so you will have control on mobile application and you can control the whole mobile device itself. Okay, so suppose this is your laptop, right? This is your Windows 10 laptop, for example. You can enroll this device into Intune. So Intune, uh, Intune, you need to enroll this device uh, to Intune, right? And then Intune can supply various policies like applications, right? Then configuration, then compliance policies, then scripts. So Intune can remotely wipe the device, factory reset the device. Intune can remotely restart the device. No matter where the device is, suppose the device is in London and you are working as Intune administrator and you are in India, you can simply send one command to restart the device or wipe the device. The device will get uh, the policy and the device will have to behave accordingly. So you will have the control of the devices. Okay. So now why we should learn Intune? Okay, before we go to that, I will let you know the competitors of Intune. Competitors. So like Intune, we have other mobile device management uh, third-party applications like AirWatch. This is from VMware. Okay, VMware. Uh, AirWatch is from VMware, which is also performing as as per Intune. I mean, it's similar product. Then we have Mobile Iron. Then we have Goods. We used to have BlackBerry. BlackBerry is very old product in terms of mobile management, but it is almost on ventilator now. People are not using BlackBerry anymore, but some companies are still using BlackBerry. So AirWatch, Mobile Iron, Goods, BlackBerry, Tanium. Okay. Then we have Zen Mobile from Citrix. These are third-party competitors of Intune. Okay. Now, but these third party competitors are very tiny in front of Intune. Intune is like a giant because Intune is getting implemented almost everywhere. You will find Intune wherever you go, you will find Intune. Whether you are in India or uh, um, you know outside India, let's say you are in US, Canada, Australia, Gulf countries, Indonesia, Asia Pacific region, everywhere you will find Intune. People are moving towards Intune. Why? Because Intune gives good solution to manage mobile devices and manage mobile applications. So these products are basically focusing on mobile devices like Android, iOS, iPad, but Intune has capability to manage Windows devices as well, like Windows laptops, Windows desktop as well, virtual machines as well. So that's the benefit. So people, instead of going to two different products, people are going to implement Intune in their organization. So why you should learn Intune? Point number one, why Intune? Point number one, it's a matured product. Okay, it's a matured product. It's this product is there in the market for the past 14 years. Point number two, it can manage mobile devices plus laptops, Windows devices, virtual machine plus application. Okay. Point number three, after COVID-19, Intune is getting implemented almost everywhere. So that's the reason you have good vacancies. Wherever you go, you will find good vacancies. Okay. Point number four, good salary as well. So for Intune administrator, those who are working as Intune administrator, they can expect a salary of 45 US dollar, 45 USD per hour. If you are in US, Canada, or European countries, you can expect a salary of 45 US dollar per hour. This is average salary, guys. Some of my students are getting $80 per hour as well. But average salary is 45 US dollar. If you're in India, then you can expect a salary of 800,000 Indian rupees, 8 lakh. So 800,000 per year annual salary. Okay. So good vacancies, good salary. Point number five is easy to learn. So who can learn this technology? So anyone who has good basic computer knowledge. Okay, it's not complicated product like SCCM or SCOM or Office 365. It's not a complicated one. If you learn SCCM, SCCM is also um, Microsoft product. It's a complicated product, but Intune is very easy to learn. So you can learn this product easily. Uh, Point number six, you don't have any programming languages. No programming languages. That means you don't have to learn any um, coding languages. You don't have to learn any C, C++, Java, or Oracle, Python, right? So it's basically you have everything is GUI based. So you can use the uh, tool to perform certain tasks, and you can deploy, for example, you need to deploy application or policies or updates, you can do that through the GUI method. You can also use PowerShell, but it is not mandatory. Okay, so you don't need any um, programming languages. You don't need to learn any programming languages. Okay, point number 7, good future. So you can make your career in this one. Okay, because the way Intune is moving, it's moving like a monster now. So wherever you go, you will find Intune. People are using this product in their organization to manage their devices. Okay, so you can manage thousands and thousands of devices. Suppose a company has 100,000 devices, right, or 200,000 devices. You can use Intune to manage all of them. Okay, and the best part is you can manage them on over the internet. So you don't have to ask people to come to office to deploy the policies, to deploy the applications. So after COVID-19, everyone is most of the people are working from home. So you can manage their devices as long as their devices are connected to internet. Okay. So it's a matured product. It can manage mobile devices, laptops, VMs, application, good vacancies, good salary, easy to learn, no programming languages, and good future. So these are the reasons why you should learn Intune. Now I will take you to some theoretical part, but right now I am not going into details because this is like a demo session, right? So Intune has various features and various integrations. As you see, the integrations, a configuration manager, Windows Autopilot, Windows Defender for Endpoint, Windows Auto Patch, Endpoint Analytics, and Microsoft 365. These are the integrations in Intune. Plus Google Play Store, Apple Token, TeamViewer, Mobile Threat Defense Services. These are the integration which are done into Intune, right? So you can do application, as you see, application deployment, updates, protection removal, identities, then device compliance, conditional access, device configuration, BYOD. That means you can manage user personal devices as well and organization owned devices as well. Okay. Reporting and data. So you have uh, reports, default reports available into Intune, which we will see it when we will do the practical. Then VPN and Microsoft Tunnel, endpoint security. These are all part of Intune, which we will learn in the practical session. Okay. Now, how Intune is configured. So it's done by Microsoft. You don't have to, suppose if you have to implement this Intune, you don't have to install any server. You don't have to have any uh, the Windows server or database or anything. Everything is configured by Microsoft, and this is the architecture. Okay, this is the backend architecture of Intune. So basically you will get the web console like this. You will get the web console as soon as you take the registration subscription from Intune. You will get the web console. The web console is connected through Graph API. The Graph API is the communication bridge between you and Intune suite in the backend, Intune services. So Graph API, whatever the changes you would like to make, your changes will be recorded into Graph, into Graph API, and Graph API will make the changes into Intune in the backend. This is the backend architecture. So everything is designed by Microsoft itself. You don't have to make any uh, uh, architectural implementation, all done by Microsoft itself. You just have to create your you need to take your subscription. So it's a SaaS kind of product, software as a service, like Gmail. Gmail, everything is configured by Google. You just have to create your email address, and you will be able to receive emails. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Now, Intune is configured on Microsoft Azure data center. Okay. So first of all, I would like to let you know what is data center. So most of you are already aware what is data center, but some of you, if you are not, if you are unknown what is data center, so I'll let you know what is data center. Data center is like a big building, right? Like this building, right? Inside this building, you will have multiple floors will be there, right? And in multiple floors, you will have multiple rooms, and there uh, high configure high configured servers will be uh, connected over the network cables. So I'll show you the inside view of the data center. So the inside view of data center is like this. So the inside view is like this. Okay. So you see these are high configured servers. These are called racks. You know, one rack will have multiple servers. Okay. One rack will have like 20 or 30 servers. So these are high configured servers. So when you create your subscription will get created on any of these servers. Okay. So where your subscription will get created? Suppose if you are in India, your subscription will get created in India. If you are in US, your subscription will get created in US. If you are in Canada, your subscription will get created in Canada. So based on your region, based on your location, the subscription will get created, and that will be your property. It's a public data center, but nobody else will have access to your data. Okay, so it's Azure data center where Microsoft Intune servers are located. So how many data centers are there? So almost, you see, there are various data center, many data centers, almost in all continents, you will see data center. In almost 56 countries, Azure data center is located. So if you are in India, your subscription will get created in India. If you are in Canada, your subscription will get created in Canada. That means you will get the services um, in Canada data center. Got it? So this is how the data center is located almost in 56 countries. So Intune license. You need to take Intune license as well. Okay, which I will let you know uh, which license is required for Intune training, right? So we will go with Microsoft Intune Plan 1, which is included in these licenses. So Microsoft has these licenses. So if you take, generally companies are taking this license, Microsoft 365 E3 license. Okay, so Intune is included into that one, or Microsoft 365 E5 license. So this include Microsoft Intune plan was one is included. So it's not free product. So you will have to pay for it. But we in the training we will use the free trial one, which is like 60 days free trial. We can utilize that product. Okay. So Azure data center. Okay. So in Azure data center, you have service fabric cluster. Azure service fabric cluster. What do you mean by cluster? Cluster is a combination of multiple servers. For example, you have 100 servers is called fabric cluster. So Intune has a separate cluster. Okay. Let's say this cluster is in US. Another cluster is in India, right? Another cluster is in China. Okay. So in Azure Cloud Data Center, you have various clusters, multiple servers are part of those clusters. So when you create your subscription, suppose you create your subscription, you are in US, your subscription will get created in US service cluster. If you are in India, right, then your subscription will get created here. Okay, depends on your region. So we will see those how that is going to be done. Now we are going to see the schedule of the training. This training is going to be started from tomorrow 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. daily 1 hour session. Okay, daily 1 hour session, guys. 1 minute, somebody wants to join. Okay, daily 1 hour session we will do for 30 days. Maximum 35 days we will take, 30 to 35 days to finish all the topics. Okay, now in this we will have theory plus practical. We will do theory plus practical. So each one of you will have to create your lab. I will guide you how to create your lab, and we will do the practical side by side. So we are going to start from tomorrow 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. daily 1 hour session for 30 days. Now the Intune course content. 1 minute. So this is Intune course content. I will send you this course content over WhatsApp if you do not have this one. So we are going to discuss about introduction to MDM, then Intune versus SCCM, introduction to Intune lab. So there are various topics. So we have um, complete course outline. So this course is aligned with um, Microsoft certification. So after this training, if you would like to take certification exam, then you need to take this one, MD 102. This is the exam you need to take. Then you become endpoint administrator. Okay. So this course outline is aligned with the certification exam. Plus the industry best practice, whatever we are utilizing in organization. So after this, you will not find any difficulty to start working in organization. Okay. So every session will get recorded. You will get recording after each session. Okay. So once the session is over, within half an hour or 1 hour, I will upload the recording so that you can get the recording. So that recording will be available for you lifetime. Anytime if you would like to access, you can access. Okay. And sorry, +919892354331. This is my WhatsApp number, uh, WhatsApp mobile number. So those who are interested to continue from tomorrow, you can call me or send me a WhatsApp message that you are interested to join Intune session, so that I will let you know about the enrollment details and the payment details, so you can join my session from tomorrow onwards. Now I will stop right here, and I will leave the session for question and answers. So those who have question can raise your hand or unmute yourself and ask questions. Anybody has any question so far? Yes, Jaya Prabhu, you can unmute yourself and ask question.
Can you able to hear my voice?
Yes, I
Yes,
can
I
hear
can
you.
hear you. Okay. Yeah, sorry, Kasif. I have few queries here. What is the cost of this the Intune course? I'm from India. So basic, I'm from India and Chennai. I would like to join this course for Intune. Is it like a second time? Because 1 year back I joined that. I'm not joining. I have done this practical. So I have done all the practicals, but currently I working on the SCCM environment, and I don't remember right now this Intune. So I want to continue this course.
So you
So you
message me on
message me on
WhatsApp.
WhatsApp.
I will
Yeah.
reply
No,
you
yeah,
with
I
the
yeah,
payment
yeah. And
details.
one more thing, um, and for is it required for any like credit card details, like for any Intune subscription for
Yes,
free? Uh,
credit card
okay,
is required.
is recorded, right?
Right.
Okay, currently I don't have available this credit card, so anyway, once it is done, I do join, and I would like to join this like a weekend batch. Is it available there over there?
Weekend batch will be available from this Saturday.
Yes. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so this much recorded details needed. So I would like to join. I will let you know through WhatsApp if I have
Okay,
any query. Thanks, Kasif. Thank you.
no
I'm
worries.
really happy. Thank you.
Anyone else has any question?
What about weekend batch timings?
Weekend batch timing is not decided yet, but it will be, hopefully it will be 10:30. 1 minute, guys. Somebody calling me. 1 minute. Sorry, guys, I'm back. So, what was the question? Yeah, weekend batch will get started at 10:30 India time. Uh, that will be 6 a.m. UK time.
Sir,
Okay.
any evening batches?
No, evening batch is not available.
Okay. So we
Any
can
other
make our
question?
policies. We can make our policies, or we can done only the policies made by the Microsoft.
No, no, we can create our own policies.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Notice.
I was expecting your course in Udemy, but you have not delivered these courses to Udemy.
Yeah, I have not done it because it is because it's Microsoft is updating this Intune every month, so it's very difficult to record the session every month. It's not like SCCM.
Okay,
Yes,
thanks.
so
Yes.
new things are getting added each month. Yeah. Any other question from anyone?
Hi, sir, Harish
Yes,
here. So
yes,
this course is Monday to Friday this month, a 7 to 8 a.m. batch.
yes. Monday to Friday, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. India time.
Okay, and one more thing, I'm F&A background, so I'm completed. Is okay to we can join our house, sir?
Y- You have a basic computer knowledge,
Yes, yes, sir.
then you will be able to do it.
Okay, sir.
I
Any
will
other
ping you.
question?
I will ping you. I will ping you that through WhatsApp. I was facing some like ADK error, installation error is coming on. So in the practical session, I was not able to do that. So I will ping you in through chat.
ADK is SCCM, not
Yes.
Intune.
Yes.
Any other question from anyone?
Hello, sir. Sir, is there any basic system requirement? I mean to say, like, what's the basic requirement for
For
setting up the Intune?
computer?
Yes, sir.
Yes, it's a good question. You need to have a system, a Windows computer. You need to have Windows computer, okay?
Okay, sir.
And minimum, so basically you need to have Windows laptop or desktop,
Okay.
and minimum you need 6 GB RAM,
RAM size. Okay.
6 GB RAM, and you need 4-core processor, quad core processor, okay?
Got it, sir. Okay.
And you need minimum 100 GB free
Hard disk.
space.
Got it,
Yes,
sir.
free hard disk space. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
So if you have a Mac operating system, then we can do it, but it's difficult actually. We will have to have, other tool. We need to install other tool to install virtual machine inside that. That's a difficult process. But I would recommend you guys to have Windows systems with 6 GB RAM, 4-core processor, and 100 GB free hard disk space. Okay. Any other question from anyone?
Is there any chance to integrate with AS or Intune in future?
Integrate with
AI.
AI.
Yeah.
So Microsoft is working on that. So it's a Microsoft decision whether to integrate or not integrate. So, but chances are very high that they will integrate.
So, okay, got it. Thank you.
Any other question from anyone?
One question, Kashif, Rohit here. I wanted to check, like, during the course, also will there be the concepts of enrolling Apple devices, or this is only for Windows devices?
We will enroll Windows devices, we will enroll Android devices and iOS devices.
Okay, and not like the Mac OS, like an
Mac
Apple.
OS, if anyone has Mac OS, we can enroll Mac OS as well.
Okay, thank you.
I don't have Mac OS for practical. Anyone else has any question?
So as of now, we are not doing any servers in the Intune, right? Only work.
Servers are done by SCCM. Server, what Microsoft is doing, Microsoft is planning to sell both the products. They are selling SCCM for servers and desktops and Intune for mobile devices like laptops and other mobile devices. So SCCM is not going anywhere. If you might have heard that after Intune, SCCM will get decommissioned from Microsoft. It's not true. Microsoft will keep SCCM for servers.
So
One of
we can integrate both, right? Through Copilot.
Uh,
Can we integrate both?
we can manage a device from SCCM and Intune together using co-management. Got it?
Got it.
Kasif, so whenever complete the session, we can able to download your video and keep it watching like day to
You
day.
can watch it online in any time. You can also download on your mobile and watch it like Udemy. You can watch it offline, right?
Yeah, that is only not Intune. It's like for our on that live session. I'm saying that asking about that.
Yes, you can download it offline, but you will not get the video to share. You can watch it on your mobile itself.
Okay.
Okay?
You mean say that I can do download it from my mobile,
No, no.
like
Like
YouTube videos, like
like YouTube videos. You can
that
watch
is
it offline, right?
I know you have provided only for like a few sections you have provided,
Yeah,
not for entire things.
yeah. So you can watch it online anytime and you can watch it offline as well, like YouTube videos.
No, I'm asking for that entire videos. I'm asking like
You will get entire videos.
I'll get it.
Any other question?
one last question, after the 60 days trial, what would be the cost in INR to maintain just one license,
$8.
say, to
Eight
practice?
$8 per month.
Okay.
You can create if your subscription is over, you can create another account with another email, another credit card and mobile number.
But
You
the
need a
problem,
credit card, guys,
we
but
need another
uh,
credit card, no? We can't use
yes,
the same credit
no,
card.
you can't use the same credit
That's
card.
the
You need
problem.
credit card just for the verification. Microsoft is not going to charge anything. It's free of cost for 60 days. But you need a credit card for subscription. They will not charge you anything.
Do we need to change the mobile number for the subscription for like again after 60
Yes,
days? Okay, okay.
yes, yes, yes.
So if we are facing any problem in live environment, like if I am working on Intune in live environment in my organization, so we can I can share my queries with you anytime.
Yeah, you can
Mm,
share queries. Yeah, I will. If I know, I will definitely reply you and let you know.
okay, thank you.
So, Kasif, Karthik here. Are you
Yes,
able to hear
Karthik.
me?
Yes.
Yeah. So, in SCCM, they've got a lot of troubleshooting, right? I mean, they would have seen a lot of issues and they would troubleshoot by reviewing the logs and all. So, likewise, do we have anything in Intune, referring log troubleshooting? Will we
Yeah, I
have
will.
any system?
Yeah, I will show you the log files which are needed during troubleshooting. So important log files I will show you, and how you can analyze the log files, right, for troubleshooting. But don't compare Intune with SCCM, because SCCM is much more matured than Intune. SCCM is 30 years old product. So it has various log files, but Intune does not
Right.
have those log files. Intune has very limited log files. Okay.
So we will be having that troubleshoot session as well.
Yes, I will
Okay.
show you like application deployment. So application deployment, how will you check whether the application is deployed successfully, or in case if any issues, where you will troubleshoot. So which log file you have to check. So I will let you know uh, in the log file which line you have to check. Yeah.
Thanks.
How about the calls, sir? Uh, Nowadays.
Calls are good. Calls
Yeah.
are good for Intune vacancies. People are looking for Intune administrator. You need to upload your resume on Naukri, Monster, LinkedIn, various job portals, Dice, Indeed, so that you will start getting calls. I will send you the sample resume, so you can, make some modification in sample resume and upload your resume in various job portals.
So we have previous experience in SSCM. So we just want to put Intune, or we can integrate
Intune,
both.
put Intune and SCCM, that you were working on SCCM and Intune, because if you know SCCM and Intune, then people will recommend those who have both experience than somebody who has only uh, SCCM experience or only Intune experience.
So nowadays, for 5 years also, we don't get a calls in like India, Chennai, Bangalore. So anywhere there is no much calls for month. At least 2 calls only getting for interview calls. For that also, I'm not sure about that. For my colleagues also facing the same to getting the calls also.
For Intune admin.
No, not in tune. SCCM. I'm
Yeah,
asking.
SCCM. Yeah, SCCM is down now.
Yes, correct, Kashif.
SCCM is down. SCCM after COVID-19, SCCM is not in that demand, because SCCM wants all the devices to be present in organization. Yeah. Any other question from anyone?
So any of your students have got placed in abroad after learning this into without
Sorry,
working anywhere in
sorry,
India?
sorry. What is your question? I can
Yeah.
barely hear you.
So yeah, are you able to hear me?
Yes.
Yeah. Any of your students have got placed in abroad before or after completing this course
Uh,
without
I have
working in India
trained
anywhere?
I have trained more than 30,000 students globally.
Oh my God. Okay. Okay.
So many people. I have a group of, you know, WhatsApp group. 5 WhatsApp groups are there with
Okay.
200 students. So many people who have joined various companies, they shared their feedbacks, you know, after getting opportunities.
Okay. Getting opportunity for abroad for Intune is easier, right? That's it.
Mostly in
Because
US, Canada. I
uh,
have my students in US, Canada, UK, Australia. They got opportunities after completing my course.
oh, awesome. Yeah. Thank
One last question, Kashif. Like for the endpoint protection solution, apart from Defender from Microsoft, is there any other like cloud solution we can integrate
No,
Intune with?
no,
No. Okay.
only endpoint, the Defender one.
Okay. CrowdStrike is not possible, right? Or
No,
CrowdStrike? No.
You can deploy CloudStrike, but you can't create policies through Intune.
Okay.
So you will have a different web portal for CloudStrike. Okay, guys, I think I have answered all your queries. So we are going to start the session from tomorrow, 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. daily 1 hour session, Monday to Friday for 30 days. We will have practical theory plus practical. We will get recording as well. And those who are interested to continue from tomorrow, this is my number. You can send me WhatsApp message or you can call me or text message that you are interested so that I can let you know the payment details and enrollment details. So you can join from tomorrow onwards. Okay, I hope the session was informative and we'll see you tomorrow, guys.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thanks, Kashif.
bye
Thank
everyone.
you
Thanks.
so
Thanks,
much. See you
thanks
Bye.
everyone.
tomorrow.
Thank you,
Bye.
Kaushik.
Bye-bye.